Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Kieran Hogg, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing AI Unlimited. This is a software where you don't have to have any experience and you'll be able to make really cool artificial intelligence art that you can use for yourself. You can freelance and make money on the side. I'll show you how much money some of these other people are making doing a very similar thing. This is going live on November 28th, Monday at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time with a front end of $11. It is being launched by my good friend Jorge Villa, whom I did a product with earlier, Testorama. Fantastic guy. James Kennedy, a 7-figure affiliate, and James Renouf, another high-ticket affiliate, high-earner affiliate. So guys, this is my bonus area. I've got members area access. We're going to look at my bonuses that I have to help complement this product as well. First, I want to take you to my bonus page where we're going to learn a little bit more about AI Unlimited. So stop paying through the nose for all those AI images and graphics. Create unlimited AI images 100% for free. No paid software or experience is required. This is an AI Unlimited demo. Guys, you got 4 days, 5 hours as I'm doing this to get all of my bonuses. This is a super quick demo video. I'm just gonna show you some of the cool images that Jorge is able to make. And you can see them on the side here. This is Jorge. He looks really badass in some of these photos. It looks great. So guys, this is like a 30-second video. So just a taste of what you'll be able to see and what you'll be able to do or make with AI Unlimited. Guys, so you already know this. Stop paying through the roof. No experience necessary. No paid software. No credit, subscriptions, or experience required. You can put all your friends in there. Zero graphic design or artistic ability required as well. Just type in a few keywords and watch as artificial intelligence magically creates your image within seconds. So guys, here is the members area access. Before I take you there though, I want to take you to Fiverr, a few different pages I pulled up on Fiverr and some of the money that these guys are potentially making. This is a basic. So I just typed in, I will develop AI generated art or AI generated art. The basic is $50. Standard is $200. Premium is $700. It's crazy. It's a lot of money. Next one, guys. I did AI generated art or comics. So you can do this $100, standard $300, premium $500. And then some NFT. You could do NFT work, digital AI, basic $75, standard $250, premium $500. Finally, $175, $500, now $1,000. Okay, so these are really basic drawings too. So once you get your template right, you will be able to make stuff like this and you can charge these really big numbers. Okay, so here is the dashboard. There's a welcome from Jorge and just telling you how to use your image, reuse your image, standard use software, and how to scale your images. You've got training in here, so create AI images. So you've got training by Jorge right here. You've got 2 paths to prepare your computer for creating AI images. And I'm not going to go through this, guys, because it wouldn't be fair for Jorge, James, and James. So you just access your Google Colab here, Hugging Face inspiration site. And you've just got step by step. He's showing you exactly how to do it, okay? Now I've worked with Jorge. He's trustworthy. He's not gonna fleece you of anything if you're concerned, okay? He's a great guy. Use your own images. He's going to show you how to use your own images as well. You've got your link of Collab Workspace, Hugging Face, Scaling Images, Inspiration Site. So here's just a quick, this is the Google Collab, so you would just follow these, okay? And it's even showing you down here how you would do that as well. Okay, some more training from Jorge. An alternative method, the DWN Soft. So this area is for use only if you have a PC Windows system and NVIDIA 2030 40 series at a minimum. So he's just showing you, depending on your parameters of your computer, which training will best suit you in making your AI images, okay? You can download the software right there, and it'll show you how to scale your images as well. And your upgrades are going to be here, your helper, and your upgrade number 2. You can access your upgrades right here, okay? And we're going to check out the upgrades in just a moment. And you've got support here as well. So if you do have a specific question that is not in the training, you can also go to support and get that as well. And all the sales pages are going to be here too. So here is the helper sales page. So this is the unlimited, okay? So before you would grab it, you're gonna watch this video and you're just gonna see, you'll be able to have unlimited sources. So if you do want to freelance, like I just showed you in those Fiverr examples, this is what you're gonna wanna get. So guys, I'm gonna take you to the sales page before we go to the price and the upsells. So here's the sales page. This is the same video. This is James, Jorge, and James. All right, so AI Unlimited opens up a whole new scalable world of opportunities. You can sell your digital and physical items along with getting insane amounts of traffic. So it's just a really cool way. It just spices up any kind of picture, any kind of ad, any kind of sales page. These are wild. So here are some other examples. Problem, up until now, you'd have to pay a lot of money for this software, but as you know, front end is only $11. But I guess even better, here's Jorge as Superman. Oh, look at this. This is cool. This looks like, is that supposed to be Walt Disney or Steve Jobs? I'm not sure. Cool. So you can do all kinds of wild things, guys. Here he is at the Oscars. Gandalf or maybe Harry Potter, I'm not sure. So some of these are selling for $600 a pop. Look at this one. This one is on Fiverr, starting at $600. And look, he made that in a matter of a couple of minutes, I think. So something to think about, guys, if you're looking for a side business, side hustle. My bonuses also show you some other ways that you can make a side hustle. So thousands of art images selling for $70 a pop, $70, $90, $100. And you can do this all day, starting at $135. $129, $120, $60. So, and I showed you some ridiculous priced ones as well. So the guys, really, you can kick some butt on here. Stock image market scope, because the stock image market is worth over $1.34 billion. Sky's the limit. There is the opportunity to give anyone the image that they want on demand. Why is this important? So this is cool. Hundreds of thousands of views per video. So this is just Queen. I don't want to get a copyright ban, so I might mute it. I'm just going to mute it because I don't want a copyright ban, but you can see this is all done with AI. And it's gotten ridiculous amounts of traffic. Look at this one. This is Billie Jean music video but the scenes are made with AI. But again, I don't want to get banned, so this is all AI image. It's got 369,000 views in only 2 months, so you can really get a lot of attention, a lot of traffic. And I don't want to take up too much of your time. You guys can check that out on the sales page on your own time and just see how cool these AI videos and images are. So the opportunities are endless. You can do affiliate marketing, e-commerce, create comic books, images like Van Gogh, a buffed Yoda. You can do t-shirts, you could do mugs, story characters, books, posters, and it just keeps going on and on. So I want to take you to my bonuses, and then we're going to look at the price and the upsells. So my first bonus is a product that I did launch with Jorge and my friend Suleik, Testorama, how to make $10 in 10 minutes over and over again. One of the easiest ways online that you'll be able to do that. I'm also going to give you Testorama Pro. This is going to enable you to make more money in less time. And all I want you to do is just, you can have the free coupon code when you email me your purchase receipt for AI Unlimited, and I'll be happy to give that to you as a way of saying thank you for using my link. Next one, guys, how to meme for money. This is by a real 7-figure affiliate. Now, memeing is also another way that a lot of people can make money online, so I thought this would be a suitable bonus to throw for you as well. And guys, some traffic to help you get some of the traffic. This is Nova. So this is the front end, the OTO 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the largest, fastest growing search engine in the world, aka TikTok. It's going to show you how you can blast out your AI images to unlimited amount of people in a very short time to get that traffic. Also guys, Instagram, how to get tons of traffic on Instagram. This is going to show you how you can really blast it out to your audience on Instagram as well. And my mega bonus bundle, 225 mega bonuses for free.
All right, all right, all right.
That's right. And the vendor bonuses by James, and Jorge as well. All right, guys, to get those bonuses, all you want to do is click on any of these yellow tabs that you see here. It's going to take you to the sales page. You're going to click on the yellow button there, and then it's going to take you to Warrior Plus. To get my bonuses, just click here on that blue button, and it's going to take you to this page here where all of these bonuses are waiting for you. Okay, so don't forget to do that. I don't want you to miss out on those. And guys, to find me, you can just look here at KieronJHawk.com. And if you do decide to get it through my link, I've got an extra bonus for you, an extra treat for you at the end of this video. I'll tell you all about it. All right, let's go to the price and the upsells now. So I told you the price for the front end is only $11, so you can create 100% for free, no paid software credit subscriptions or anything. And it doesn't matter what your training experience is, your skill set with doing anything techie before, because Jorge shows you step by step how to do it. They've got their support and their training as well. The upgrade to 29, we created software to help you create even better images and even faster. And guys, if you do want to start doing something on the side like Fiverr, I suggest you get the upgrade, okay? Number 2, multiple methods on how to make money with AI images. This one might even be more suitable, or you get them in conjunction with each other. Next one is a private mastermind group focused on the latest AI technology. So this will be a Facebook group. It's going to be $14 a month. You're going to be with like-minded people. You're going to be with Jorge. You can bounce ideas off of Jorge, and he'll be introducing you the newest, latest AI tech. And upgrade number 4 is a $1 trial, the $19 a month. It's completely done for you daily buyer traffic. So if you don't want to even have the hassle of marketing your talents with the AI Unlimited, Jorge and his team are going to do it for you in this upgrade number 4. Upgrade number 5 is $29 live Q&A Zoom free call with those gentlemen. And upgrade number 6, $49, one-on-one strategy session calls. So if you're feeling a little overwhelmed, you think you've got some potential, but you just want a bit of direction on how to focus that potential, then that strategy call is something that Jorge will be able to help you. He is the spearhead of this product, so he knows it inside and out. He'll be able to tell you where you should be pointing your efforts. And upgrade number 7, our 7-figure business blueprint on a silver platter at $297. So guys, I liked number 1 and number 2, I think for sure. If you want to be getting buyer traffic from them, you want the upgrade number 4 in my opinion. And guys, just to summarize, it's step-by-step training, easy for anyone, excellent support and training, unlimited side hustle possibilities as you saw in the sales page. Also, I showed you what some of the Fiverr people are making. It is huge money. So something to think about, okay? Guys, before we go, I'm just gonna summarize getting my bonuses here, my Testorama Pro, memeing from a 7-figure affiliate, huge traffic from TikTok. You're gonna get front end, OTO 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget to get huge amount of traffic with Instagram, my mega bonus bundle, and their bonuses as well. You've got over 4 days to check this out. All right, my friends, that wraps up my AI Unlimited review. I hope you got some value from it. Hit that like button if you did. Drop me a comment if you have any questions about this. I'm in touch with Jorge quite often, so if you have anything I can possibly ask with him, he'll get back to me and I can forward it to you. Hit me up on Facebook as well. And guys, if you do get it with my link, I will give you another bonus that I really got a lot of value from. It'd be my way of saying an extra thank you if you just whitelist my email. I show you exactly how to do that in my step-by-step video. It takes about a minute after you get my original thank you email. All right, my friends, AI Unlimited goes live Monday, November 28th, 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, front end $11 with some juicy upsells that are gonna help you make those side hustles. Until then, my friends, all the best. I'll talk to you soon.